What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a national holiday. Today we're going to deal with some pizza. You know the thing of fast food settings, but fast food at home is eat. So we're going to make some pizza today. So more you guys stay tuned, watch the video, comment on the video, like the video, share the video for me is it. Right now guys, this is the dough, this is the cooking oil, this is the meat, this is the tomato sauce. And these are the sweet peppers and tomatoes, right? And this is the cheese, mozzarella cheese. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So, I'm going to sprinkle a little dry flour on the cutting board. Alright. This is the dough. It's been set for 30 minutes, right? So remember now, the ingredients for the dough now: a spoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, and I add milk. I add like about half cup of milk because I don't use any water, I just use milk. Yeah, and this is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put it on the board. The pizza, I'm gonna make the pizza on a pot cover, right? Yeah, so what I do now, I place the dough on top of the pot cover, as you can see, on top of the pot cover, and then I'm just gonna roll it until the edge fall off. Alright. Have the actual pizza pan, right? So just gonna well, no, I'm just putting the cooking oil over it. Now I'm gonna put the sauce over it. Now put on the cheese. guys, this is what it look like, right? So I'm just gonna place this in the oven. I'm gonna place this in the oven for about 15 minutes and then you guys will see the end product. Alright, so let's make that bake for 15 minutes and then remove. Okay guys, this is after removing it from the oven, right? So you know it is really hot now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna place it on the plate and let it cool here for about 5 minutes and then I will just slice them up, okay? And remember guys, for the crust, you only need flour. If you're making like 2 pizza, you need 2 cups of flour, right? A tablespoon of salt, 2 spoons of sugar, and then like 2 spoons of yeast, dry yeast. But remember, you gotta put the yeast in some water to soak before editing in the flour, right? And then you're gonna use milk to make the dough. And then after making the flour to get the dough together, you're gonna put it down to rest for about 15-20 minutes, right? And then you continue the process with the pizza, right?
This is delicious. So good. Now this is how you make pizza. Alright guys, this is the finishing product. You made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.